If you are trying to study microcontrollers, then this video is particularly for you. Instead of juggling through countless online tutorials, blogs, and YouTube videos, you can choose an easy way where you can enroll into this complete online course where you are going to get 2 full courses on microcontroller study, probably at the price of a book. First course is about microcontroller 8051 and creating embedded systems around it using embedded C. The second course is about the AVR series microcontroller at Mega 32 and how to create different projects around it. I have been creating number of different embedded systems project from past 11 years, and whatever that I have learned, I have put into these 2 courses for you to make it easy to understand and start creating your systems. Hi, my name is Amit Rana. I am an engineer, programmer and developer, and I have been creating embedded systems for more than past decade. These courses will help you to understand microcontrollers very quickly, and why I'm so confident, the reason is very simple. I have been already creating and publishing these courses, and so far more than 18,000 students from about 150 countries have enrolled to these courses and have been satisfied. Therefore, I am pretty sure that you will not only like these courses, but you will learn a lot many things through this course at a price which is pretty affordable to you. Click this link now and join these courses on microcontrollers 8051 at Mega 32 and start creating your projects. As soon as you make the payment, you will receive the enrollment link to our course platform. It's a very simple and easy to use course platform that we have created for you to understand these videos, to watch these videos at your time and at your convenience. And you have lifetime access to all these videos so that you can watch them at any time and drop me any query that you may have throughout your study period. So enroll to this course now and get started with understanding and experimenting with microcontrollers. This is Amit Rana. See you in the class.